Okay, Matt and Doug here at the Belleville Via Station.
This is gonna be a good one.
Via Rail fun fact, they have a leisure pass. We're gonna hop on, hop off today.
Ah, that's such a great idea.
Hop on, and you hop off.
But what if you want to jump on and jump off?
Hop on,
Do I have to hop?
hop off. You jump.
You have
You
to-
can jump. Jump. That's a, is
gotta-
that your jump?
Can I prance on and prance off?
You can prance on. Actually, it's called a prance pass. Prance on, prance off.
I'm gonna gingerly step on and gingerly step off. Oh God, is that our train?
Oh no!
It feels like it's futuristic or something.
Nothing can keep me from you.
I brought some board games.
You did?
Yeah, Hungry Hippos.
Nice.
So I've never actually gone to explore Port Hope.
Yeah, we found a few spots in Port Hope that I'm really excited about. It's always nice to kind of go, you know, outside of where you're from.
Sure.
I mean, I got my favorites here, but there's some. I have my eye on some spots that pretty stunning.
I'll be coming home
Just gonna stop right
soon. Heart is blind. I've been down and tired. Nothing can keep me from you.
So I always find that when you're on the train, you never recognize where you actually are. Even though this is our hometown, we don't even know where
I
we
feel
are.
like I'm like behind the scenes, like I'm doing something wrong. You know?
I've never seen that backyard.
No.
Never seen that house.
Look at that woman's waving it. Oh, that's my wife. What's your favorite go-to? What's your candy? Your candy?
Any candy. But
Any-
Swedish berries or Sour Patch Kids are probably all-time favorite. I'm having a falafel wrap, which is very good.
I'm gonna in a couple. Yeah, like, I agree. I'm gonna get up in a couple minutes. I'm gonna find the kitchen. I'm gonna tell the chef, this is delicious. I mean, I'm eating a delicious ham and cheese croissant, going through rural Ontario, right? Thanks, Via Rail.
Yeah.
Nothing can keep me from you.
Literally hop on, hop off.
Oh, I like this. Thank you, you too. Okay, I got a bike.
Look at those.
Ready for this? Matt DeMille,
man.
Fat Bike
I can't wait.
on the weekend route in
No-
Port Hope.
No one's called me Fat Bike since grade 5.
Hi-oh!
Let's
There
do
we go.
this!
Ah! Okay, we got the bikes, and it started snowing.
Yeah,
So this is even more of an adventure now. That's why we got the Fat Bikes.
let's do this.
All right, let's do it.
All right. I'm getting hungry.
You're getting on. Well, I need some Hawkins cheesies. See you later.
Thanks. Dude, I dare you to jump that log on your fat boy.
I'll jump it with. How about that? I'm portage. How's that?
You're gonna portage this
Pretty
trail.
smooth?
I'll be honest, you look like you've done that.
Oh, really? Never. Ha! I think you beat me. Okay, let's give her. Ready? Open it up. High gear.
Full throttle, Dad!
I'm a little juiced.
Man, yeah.
Turns out I'm very out of shape.
You know what? I just, doesn't matter if we're on the bikes or if we're walking. I'm just like having the best day.
What I like is that we get to slow it down, me and you.
Slow it down.
Take it in,
Take it
right?
in.
On the weekend route, just outside of Port Hope in this beautiful woody trail.
I mean, what's the rush, right? Like we hop off the train and we just hop back on and go somewhere else.
That's the rush right there. We gotta go hop that branch.
Hop like a bunny
Yeah,
hop?
let's go.
Okay. That's it? So, are you getting hungry by the way or what?
Well, I'm with you, so I'm always hungry.
Okay, great. I'm glad you're always up for whatever. Not only in an adventure sense, but in a culinary sense as well.
I just love that you put Hawkins on everything.
That's true. True. Whoa.
Obstacle course.
You in?
You going first?
Nope.
All right.
Go, fat boys.
Fat boy, no, duck. I could go around this, but. Oh!
No ripping happening.
I try to do the 1 foot. So what are you cooking up? Can you tell me now?
Okay, I'll tell you. So, we're here in the Port Hope, Coburg area. I got some beautiful rainbow trout from Linwood Acres Farms.
Oh yeah,
It's like a whole
fish farm?
trout. I'm gonna break them, when we get to our spot, I'm gonna break them down.
Are you gonna
do a
clean them and everything?
Yeah,
Nice.
just like whole, man, these things were like, they were pulled out this morning. So, super fresh fish. I'm gonna do like a little like dill and lemon aioli. Serve with some salt and
A
vinegar
little
chips.
mid-woods aioli.
Yeah, a little rustic aioli. Rustic always sells. Hey, and just a little salt and vinegar chips and, fish and chips sort of thing.
I like it, man.
And I thought that'd be good. Dude, can you?
Vista!
This is crazy.
This is awesome.
No, but seriously. Oh my, this is like Moana or like King Kong. Oh my gosh.
This is awesome, man. Look at the clouds moving in there.
Whoa. See that tower right? That's the CN Tower, dude.
That's the CN Tower.
There's Drake.
Hello. What do you got? What are you doing here? You're making a tartare?
First, I'm gonna make a little tartar sauce to go with the fish.
I love it.
A little bit of local apple, nice tart apple going in as well. There's a flatfish and a roundfish. Flatfish have 4 fillets, roundfish have 2 fillets. I'm gonna take everything out, okay? Behind the gills, hit the backbone. I'm gonna take some of the scales off. You just go against the grain there, sort of thing. I'm just going down the backbone.
Just slap her on.
That's a good sound. You want a hiss, not a bubble, folks.
Oh yeah?
If it's bubbling, your fish is gonna steam, won't get crispy. Oh yeah.
How's that looking?
Look at that.
Oh yeah, baby.
This pan is getting quite hot.
What temp do you think we're working with here?
1,000. So I grilled up some lemon here. So what happens is the sugars in the lemon caramelize.
Yeah.
And you're so instead of like sour juice or like bitter juice on top, it's gonna be nice and sweet.
Okay. And then this is the aioli. It looks good, man.
Right, mate. Pucker tucker, dig in. You're set, mate. Dinner's done. Right. Me and Jules, we eat like this at least 8 nights a week. Great. But check this out. Where are we right now? We're on
a beautiful cliff top.
Right?
This guy right here. He's too cute sometimes.
Let's see that. Boom.
Oh, nice open.
Grab a chip.
That's awesome.
Grab a chip.
That's awesome.
And you can even dip the chip in the tartar sauce.
I love it.
Thanks, buddy.
Super accessible.
Exactly, right? It's elevated, accessible.
We're at a cliff top. Elevated.
I love doing this. I love doing this.
That is really good.
You're not a skin guy? You're not a fish skin guy? You
That's
are.
the next one.
Okay, respect. Wow, it's like a potato chip.
Okay, if I was going to coin a Matt DeMille quote from the Weekend Route, I would say, I'm hungry.
So you're hungry.
I'm
This
hungry.
is the best news I've heard all day. What do you want to do?
Where are we gonna go? I heard about the Schnitzel Shack.
Schnitzel Shack. So if you were in a bathroom looking in the mirror and you said Schnitzel Shack 5 times, would a schnitzel come through the mirror and kill you?
100%.
Yo, I'm up in the Schnitzel Shack. My rhymes is whack, but yo, I got a massive hunger attack.
My butt hurts, I sat on a tack.
Wie lange bleibst du hier in Kanada?
Wie lange? Ich bin seit 30 Jahren hier.
30?
Ja.
Wow.
I did read about a poutine schnitzel.
Poutine Schnitzel.
Should I try that?
You should try the poutine. You should try poutine. You should
Okay.
try a palm.
So how about one of everything? Are you ready for this?
This is the poutine one?
This is the poutine one. 3, 2. Oh
Look at this thing.
my God.
That's amazing.
Okay,
I got a massive one. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I'm moving to Port Hope.
The cheese, Victor. There's like a massive mountain of fries underneath this whole thing. Look at these fries. Look at that. It's like a whole order of fries underneath, and there's 2 pieces of schnitzel. Okay,
The Matometer is off the charts because this is
Actually, I'm getting rays from your emanating Matometer.
this is
rays.
one of the best. Seriously,
This is crazy.
is such an amazing
This is crazy. Wow. Anybody watching has to come to the Schnitzel Shack. We're freezing, but we can't stop. We'd love to sit here and talk to you, but we got to eat more.
this is amazing.
So we're out. We'll see you next time on the Weekend Route.
Cheers.